Imagine waking up every morning knowing you have the freedom to work from anywhere in the world. In this video, we're going to show you how to turn that dream into reality as a virtual assistant. From managing your own schedule to providing invaluable support to businesses worldwide, the opportunities are endless. Get ready to break free from the 9-to-5 grind and embark on a journey to remote work success. Are you ready to make your work-from-home dreams a reality? Let's get started. In a world where traditional office spaces are becoming a thing of the past, the allure of working from home has never been stronger. Picture this, trading in the morning rush hour commute for a leisurely stroll to your home office, sipping your favorite coffee as you dive into your day's tasks. Sounds dreamy, doesn't it? Well, welcome to the world of virtual assistants, where the office is wherever you make it and the possibilities are endless. But what exactly is a virtual assistant, and how can you carve out your niche in this rapidly expanding field? That's what we're here to explore. Imagine being able to tailor your work hours to fit your lifestyle. Whether it's juggling family commitments, pursuing a passion project, or simply enjoying the freedom to work from anywhere in the world. As a virtual assistant, you have the autonomy to design your day according to your preferences. No more punching the clock or answering to a micromanaging boss. But don't be fooled by the convenience factor. Being a virtual assistant requires a unique set of skills and a high level of professionalism. From managing calendars and scheduling appointments to handling social media accounts and providing customer support, virtual assistants are the unsung heroes behind the scenes, keeping businesses running smoothly and efficiently. In this video, we'll delve into the world of remote work as a virtual assistant, uncovering the essential skills, tools, and strategies you need to succeed in this dynamic and rewarding profession. The role. So what exactly does it mean to be a virtual assistant? At its core, a virtual assistant is a remote professional who provides administrative, creative, technical, or personal support to clients from a remote location. Think of yourself as the ultimate multitasker, wearing many hats to help businesses and entrepreneurs thrive in an increasingly digital world. The beauty of the virtual assistant role lies in its versatility. From managing email correspondence and scheduling appointments to drafting documents and conducting research, the scope of tasks that a virtual assistant can handle is as vast as the digital landscape itself. Need someone to handle your inbox while you focus on growing your business? A virtual assistant has got you covered. Require assistance with social media management to boost your online presence? Look no further. But being a virtual assistant is about more than just completing tasks. It's about building trust and fostering strong relationships with clients. Effective communication and reliability are essential traits for success in this role. Clients rely on virtual assistants to be their right-hand person, seamlessly navigating the intricacies of their business operations and providing invaluable support along the way. In addition to technical skills, being a virtual assistant also requires a high degree of adaptability and problem-solving ability. Each client will have unique needs and preferences, and it's up to you to tailor your approach accordingly. Whether you're working with a busy entrepreneur, a growing startup, or a seasoned executive, the ability to anticipate their needs and exceed their expectations is key to becoming a sought-after virtual assistant. In the next segment, we'll dive deeper into the specific skills and qualifications that can help you excel in this dynamic role. So grab your virtual toolbox and get ready to unlock your full potential as a virtual assistant extraordinaire. Skills and qualifications. Becoming a successful virtual assistant requires a diverse skill set and a commitment to ongoing learning and professional development. While there is no one-size-fits-all approach to this role, certain skills and qualifications can set you apart from the competition and position you as a valuable asset to your clients. First and foremost, organizational skills are paramount for virtual assistants. With multiple tasks and deadlines to manage simultaneously, the ability to prioritize effectively and stay organized is essential. Whether it's keeping track of appointments, managing project timelines, or coordinating logistics, being able to maintain order amidst the chaos is key. Communication skills are another cornerstone of the virtual assistant role. Clear and concise communication is essential for building rapport with clients, understanding their needs, and ensuring that tasks are completed to their satisfaction. Whether it's via email, phone, or video conference, the ability to convey information effectively and professionally is non-negotiable. Technical proficiency is also a must for virtual assistants. Familiarity with tools and software commonly used in remote work environments, such as project management platforms, communication tools, and productivity software, can streamline workflows and enhance efficiency. Additionally, proficiency in basic office software, such as word processing, spreadsheets, and presentation software, is often required for completing administrative tasks. While formal education and certifications are not always necessary for becoming a virtual assistant, they can certainly enhance your credibility and marketability. Consider pursuing relevant courses or certifications in areas such as project management, administrative support, or specific software applications to demonstrate your expertise to potential clients. In the ever-evolving landscape of remote work, adaptability is key. Stay curious, stay agile, and never stop honing your skills. With the right combination of skills, qualifications, and a passion for helping others succeed, you'll be well on your way to carving out a rewarding career as a virtual assistant. Setting up your home office. Creating a productive and comfortable workspace is essential for success as a virtual assistant. While the beauty of remote work lies in its flexibility, having a dedicated home office can help you stay focused and organized amidst the distractions of home life. Start by choosing a quiet and well-lit area of your home to serve as your office. Ideally, this space should be free from household noise and distractions, allowing you to concentrate fully on your work. Whether it's a spare room, a corner of the living room, or even a cozy nook in your bedroom, make sure it's a space where you feel comfortable and inspired to work. Investing in ergonomic furniture and equipment can also make a world of difference in your productivity and comfort. Consider purchasing a comfortable chair with good lumbar support, a spacious desk to accommodate your computer and other essential tools, and adequate lighting to reduce eye strain. Additionally, a reliable internet connection is essential for staying connected with clients and collaborating on projects remotely. Organization is key to maintaining a clutter-free and efficient workspace. Invest in storage solutions such as filing cabinets, shelves, or storage bins to keep your office supplies, documents, and equipment neatly organized and easily accessible. A clutter-free workspace not only improves productivity but also enhances mental clarity and focus. Finally, personalize your home office to reflect your personality and style. Decorate with plants, artwork, or motivational quotes that inspire you. Creating a space that feels inviting and uplifting can help boost your mood and motivation, making it easier to tackle your daily tasks with enthusiasm. By setting up a functional and comfortable home office, you'll be well equipped to thrive as a virtual assistant and take full advantage of the freedom and flexibility that remote work offers. Finding clients. Once you've set up your home office and honed your skills as a virtual assistant, the next step is to find clients who can benefit from your services. While it may seem daunting at first, there are numerous strategies you can employ to attract clients and build a thriving business as a virtual assistant. One of the most effective ways to find clients is through online platforms and marketplaces specifically designed for freelancers. Websites like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr allow you to create a profile showcasing your skills and experience and bid on projects posted by clients from around the world. These platforms offer a convenient way to connect with potential clients and build your reputation as a virtual assistant. Networking is another powerful tool for finding clients as a virtual assistant. Attend industry events, join professional associations, and participate in online forums and communities relevant to your target market. Building relationships with fellow freelancers, entrepreneurs, and business owners can lead to valuable referrals and potential client opportunities. Don't underestimate the power of social media in finding clients as well. Use platforms like LinkedIn, Twitter, and Facebook to showcase your expertise, share valuable content, and connect with potential clients. Join relevant groups and participate in discussions to expand your network and attract clients who are in need of your services. Finally, don't overlook the importance of word-of-mouth marketing. Encourage satisfied clients to spread the word about your services to their colleagues, friends, and business associates. Personal recommendations can be incredibly powerful in attracting new clients and growing your virtual assistant business. By leveraging online platforms, networking opportunities, social media, and word-of-mouth referrals, you can effectively find clients and build a thriving business as a virtual assistant. Stay proactive, stay persistent, and don't be afraid to put yourself out there. The clients are out there waiting for someone with your skills and expertise to help them succeed. Time management and productivity. As a virtual assistant, mastering time management and productivity is essential for staying on top of your workload and meeting client deadlines. With multiple tasks and projects to juggle, it's crucial to develop effective strategies for managing your time and maximizing your productivity. Start by creating a daily or weekly schedule outlining your tasks and priorities. Allocate specific time blocks for different types of work, such as administrative tasks, client meetings, and project work. This structured approach can help you stay focused and organized throughout the day, ensuring that you make progress on important tasks without feeling overwhelmed. Prioritization is key when it comes to managing your workload as a virtual assistant. Identify high-priority tasks and deadlines and tackle them first to ensure they are completed on time. Use tools like to-do lists or task management apps to keep track of your tasks and stay on top of your commitments. Another important aspect of time management is setting boundaries and managing interruptions. Establish clear boundaries between work and personal life, and communicate these boundaries to your clients and colleagues. Minimize distractions by turning off notifications, setting designated work hours, and creating a distraction-free work environment. To enhance productivity, consider implementing time-saving techniques and tools. Automation tools can help streamline repetitive tasks, while productivity apps can help you stay focused and manage your time more effectively. Experiment with different techniques, such as the Pomodoro technique or time blocking, to find what works best for you. Finally, don't forget to schedule regular breaks and downtime to recharge and avoid burnout. Taking breaks throughout the day can help improve focus and concentration, ultimately leading to greater productivity and job satisfaction. By mastering time management and productivity techniques, you can optimize your workflow as a virtual assistant and deliver exceptional results for your clients. With careful planning, prioritization, and a proactive approach to managing your time, you can thrive in this dynamic and fast-paced role. Communication and collaboration. Effective communication and collaboration are essential skills for success as a virtual assistant. Whether you're interacting with clients, colleagues, or third-party vendors, clear and professional communication is key to building strong relationships and ensuring project success. When communicating with clients, it's important to establish clear expectations and maintain regular communication throughout the project lifecycle. Take the time to understand their needs and preferences and provide regular updates on project progress and milestones. Be proactive in seeking clarification or feedback, and always respond promptly to emails or messages to demonstrate your reliability and professionalism. In addition to written communication, virtual assistants often rely on video calls and virtual meetings to collaborate with clients and colleagues. Make sure to familiarize yourself with common video conferencing tools and etiquette, and always dress and present yourself professionally during virtual meetings. Collaboration tools and platforms can also streamline communication and project management for virtual assistants. Whether it's a shared document repository, a project management platform, or a team messaging app, using collaborative tools can help you stay organized, keep track of project tasks, and facilitate seamless communication with your clients and team members. When collaborating with clients and colleagues, it's important to be flexible and adaptable to their communication preferences and styles. Some clients may prefer frequent updates and check-ins, while others may prefer a hands-off approach. By being attentive to their needs and preferences, you can foster positive relationships and deliver exceptional service as a virtual assistant. Overall, effective communication and collaboration are essential skills for virtual assistants looking to thrive in a remote work environment. By prioritizing clear communication, maintaining regular contact with clients and colleagues, and leveraging collaborative tools and platforms, you can build strong relationships and deliver outstanding results for your clients. Handling challenges. While working as a virtual assistant offers numerous benefits, it's not without its challenges. From navigating time zone differences to managing client expectations, virtual assistants often encounter obstacles that require patience, resilience, and problem-solving skills. One common challenge faced by virtual assistants is maintaining work-life balance. Without the physical separation of a traditional office, it can be tempting to work around the clock or let work spill into personal time. Setting clear boundaries between work and personal life is essential for avoiding burnout and maintaining overall well-being. Establishing designated work hours, scheduling regular breaks, and disconnecting from work at the end of the day can help strike a healthy balance. Another challenge is managing workload fluctuations and unpredictable schedules. As a virtual assistant, you may experience periods of high demand followed by lulls in work. Learning to adapt to these fluctuations and effectively manage your time during busy periods is essential for maintaining productivity and meeting client deadlines. Consider implementing time management techniques, such as prioritization and batching tasks, to stay on top of your workload. Dealing with difficult clients can also be a challenge for virtual assistants. Whether it's navigating conflicting expectations or handling demanding requests, maintaining professionalism and composure is key. Practice active listening. Seek to understand the client's concerns and communicate openly and transparently to find mutually acceptable solutions. Finally, staying motivated and focused in a remote work environment can be challenging without the structure and camaraderie of a traditional office. Find ways to stay connected with fellow virtual assistants or join online communities for support and encouragement. Set goals for yourself, celebrate your achievements, and remember why you chose to pursue a career as a virtual assistant in the first place. By proactively addressing challenges and developing strategies for overcoming obstacles, virtual assistants can thrive in this dynamic and rewarding profession. With resilience, adaptability, and a positive mindset, you can navigate the ups and downs of remote work and build a successful career as a virtual assistant. Growing your business. Once you've established yourself as a virtual assistant and built a solid foundation, it's time to focus on growing your business and expanding your client base. While it may seem daunting, with the right strategies and mindset, you can take your virtual assistant business to the next level and achieve long-term success. One key strategy for growing your business is to diversify your services and offerings. Assess your skills and expertise and consider expanding into new areas that complement your existing services. Whether it's offering additional administrative support, social media management, or specialized services such as graphic design or content writing, diversifying your offerings can attract new clients and increase your earning potential. Networking is another powerful tool for growing your virtual assistant business. Attend industry events, join professional associations, and participate in online communities to connect with potential clients and collaborators. Building relationships with fellow freelancers, entrepreneurs, and business owners can lead to valuable referrals and partnerships that can help grow your business. Investing in marketing and branding can also help attract clients and elevate your business. Create a professional website showcasing your services, portfolio, and client testimonials. Use social media platforms to share valuable content, engage with your audience, and establish yourself as an authority in your niche. Consider running targeted advertising campaigns or offering promotions to attract new clients and generate leads. As your business grows, don't forget to focus on customer retention and satisfaction. Providing exceptional service and going above and beyond for your clients can lead to repeat business and referrals, ultimately fueling the growth of your virtual assistant business. By diversifying your services, networking effectively, investing in marketing, and prioritizing customer satisfaction, you can grow your virtual assistant business and achieve your goals as a remote professional. With dedication, persistence, and a passion for helping others succeed, the sky's the limit for your virtual assistant business. Working from home as a virtual assistant offers unparalleled flexibility, autonomy, and opportunity for those seeking a rewarding career in the remote work landscape. As a virtual assistant, you have the power to design your own destiny, shaping your career around your lifestyle and passions. Whether you're a seasoned professional looking to transition into remote work or a newcomer eager to explore new opportunities, the virtual assistant industry offers a wealth of possibilities for growth and success. By honing your skills, leveraging technology, and embracing a proactive mindset, you can thrive in this dynamic and fast-paced profession. But perhaps most importantly, remember that success as a virtual assistant isn't just about completing tasks and meeting deadlines. It's about building relationships, providing value, and making a meaningful impact on the businesses and individuals you serve. So if you found this video helpful and inspiring, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights and tips on remote work success. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.